The lecture is given to you now. Time, question, silently. I'd like you to imagine the following once again. Time, question, silently. And civilization, match zone, silently. Without recognition of this matter. Anyway, time, question, civilization, match zone. Do you listen to a ring deriving from somewhere mysterious? Do you really understand all the things you see and you listen to? Romantically, I'd like you to think of your existence again. You are here now on this planet. You are one of infinitesimal beings here, dwelling on this planet. There are innumerable stars in this galaxy. How many galaxies do you recognize? There are countless galaxies in this universe. How do you have your observation regarding your daily life? Do you need courage to take action? Or you see yourself as one of small existence here on this planet? If you understand what kind of existence you are, there is nothing you should be afraid of. According to your natural feeling, you are ready to take action as a being, infinitesimal. As the proverb runs, you cannot make an omelet without breaking eggs. To do what you wish to do, you don't have to have courage. You take action according to your will. You have your will. I'd like you to value your will all the time. Where there's a will, there's a way. When you talk to your friends at a party, you don't hesitate talking to your friends, because without communicating with them, you cannot manage well. You cannot have good time at the party with your friends, so you don't hesitate to talk to your friends. This means you blink the eyes very much positively. Like that. To do what you wish to do. There is nothing you need to be afraid of. You just do what you wish to do, as the proverb runs. You can't make an omelet unless You break eggs. The lecture should be finished now.